Hello Galaxy Tab 7 Plus users, good afternoon. If you want to have the multi-window function and the flash bar service like the Galaxy Tab 8 Plus 0, first you need to update your tab to Jelly Bean 4.1.2, the MF1 Russian firmware. I'll show you. After that, flashing using Odin. Next is you flash the clockwork mode recovery using Odin. I use the MF1 Russian firmware because the ME1 I noticed extensive battery drain. And after you flash the clockwork mod, you flash the ODEX file in the clockwork mod. This file, you need to flash it at clockwork mod recovery. Then after that, you install the firmware root to install the super root or super user so that you could root your phone or tab. In firmware root, just click firmware root, then click Aragorn, then press OK, then reboot so that the super user will be installed. Then after this, you need to install the BCBox and the build prop editor. First, you need to install the BCBox installer. Then after that, the build prop editor. In the XDA developers, they say you need to be in the DPI should be 134, but I use the default 160. It's okay in my part. There's no issues. Then here, click edit. Then at the bottom, type qemu.hw.main keys equals 0. Then save. After saving, you need to reboot. Then after this, the purpose of the editing the build prop editor is after flashing v3, so that here below at the bottom, the back, home, and the recent apps will appear. Because if you don't edit after installing v3, it won't appear. So after installing v3, this one, or after flashing v3, you flash v4. Then after this, go to settings, then click display. You noticed the multi-window is already checked, so you need to uncheck and check it again so that the flash bar will appear like this one. You'll get the white one, but if you want the black one, you need to install the flashbar service.apk and install it at system, then apps, then overwrite the original flashbar service, or you'll delete it, then replace it with the APK. This one, system, then apps. Here you get to have delete the flashbar service, then you need to offer or replace it. You need to have the proper permission. If you're using ES File Explorer, just turn on the root explorer. Then the second one, system, choose the RW so that you will have permissions. Then you can overwrite. Then after that, you will get your flashbar, the black one, the color. So if installing this black flash bar in service, you need to remove your lock screen because it will freeze your tab. And also I don't know if there are fixes yet, but for me, in the GT p6200, if you don't want to freeze your tab, just remove the lock screen and replace your TouchWiz launcher. Instead of Samsung the TouchWiz, replace it with either Apex. Mostly some use Apex, but others use Holo or Nova. It depends on you. And next, here in the notification, don't press the all sharecast because it will freeze your tab and you'll install it again. So here at the bottom, the edit, I haven't fixed it yet. The cascade view, you can't press the cascade view. I don't know. I have yet to fix this, but if you can, if you want to minimize this, or if you want to back from the previous or what you're doing, so just it's either you press the notification so that it will minimize, or after pressing that, accidentally pressing that, just make it a landscape. After that, you'll find the center button, then press down. So after installing V4, you can install the exposed framework or exposed installer. Click install, then click also the other modules, the app settings, the multi-window apps manager, the Play Store fixes, and exposed text box. The exposed text box is if you want to change the color of your battery or the status bar. In Play Store fixes, I installed this because there's no problem in Google Play Store, but I encountered a problem at Black Market. So it won't search any application. In multi-window apps manager, it let you choose which apps or icon to have the multi-window function. Like this one, I'll show you. This one. That one. I checked all to have the multi-window function. You notice on the upper right, you could minimize or you could maximize. The purpose for the pin on the upper left is to make the multi-window on top of another. So if you remove that, so it will be over or replaced by the other one. For the phone, if you have encountered a problem in the phone or contacts, what I did was just go to when you install your app settings, to resolve this issue, just go to app settings, this one, and just change the DPI and resolution also, so that it will function. After changing it, just reboot. I'll show you. Here, just turn on the application settings. Here, your DPI, change it to 176, and your screen DPI, change it to 800 1280. After that, save, then reboot. Then after that, your phone and contacts will it will be okay and will function properly. And next is for I also installed this one, Greenify, to help my battery. I didn't encounter any battery drain, but I installed Greenify to further increase my battery life. And what else? If you want to have a tablet way, just go to expose installer, check the expose tablet way, and reboot. So it's okay. This is not, again, this is not my work. This is from the XDA developers. You have to give credit to them. I hope you enjoy your phone or tab like I enjoyed. For me, it's working perfectly, except for this one, the mini apps. I have yet to fix this. I'm still searching for solutions for these issues, but I think it will be resolved earlier, maybe after a few days. Just look. If you don't want to have this black flash bar, just don't overwrite, and I think it's okay. And also, if you want to install the Screenshot Pro, just use the just use this APK. If you want this, I can give it to you, because some other Screenshot Pro will not work. Just go to if you install this one, you just go to settings and change the GPU to CPU, then you're good to go. Okay, I think that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.